Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to use the ID.me Authenticator app. Now the first thing you have to do is to download the app either on the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on what device you're on. Now once you have downloaded the app, you will just need to give it some permissions like sending you notifications or give it the permission to use your camera for instance. Click on allow and then you will be on this homepage. After that, you'll have to click on the settings button, so in the top right corner, and then you will have to add an account. Here you have two choices. Either you can scan your QR code, or if you don't have a QR code, you can enter the key manually. First, let's see how to scan the QR code. You just need to click on scan QR code, and here it will open the camera and you will be able to scan the code. Or you can click on cancel and go back to enter the key manually. Now, once you have clicked on this, you will be able to fill out this form with the issuer, the account name, and the secret key. You can also visit the advanced options and then click on submit. Now, once you have finished all that, you can even go back in the home page and click back on the settings button in the top right corner, and you will have many more options to authenticate yourself, like opening the app with Face ID or having other options and features on the app like the dark theme. So that's it guys, I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.